NTPC and Swamiji for providing such a great tool to us. Really, it has become a huge help for teacher like us. Thank you. Namaskar.